Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need unsweetened cocoa powder, a natural sweetener like maple syrup or stevia, and a healthy fat such as coconut oil or cocoa butter. Selecting high-quality ingredients is key to both the taste and nutritional value of your homemade treat. These simple components form the foundation for delicious, guilt-free chocolate. Now let's combine everything. Begin by gently melting your healthy fat like a half cup of coconut oil over very low heat. Once liquid, remove it from the heat and whisk in about 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until it's completely smooth. Next, gradually add your natural sweetener, starting with 2 tablespoons, adjusting to your desired level of sweetness. Mix thoroughly to ensure a consistent, rich chocolate base. This is where you can truly make it your own. For an enhanced flavor, add a small pinch of sea salt and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you enjoy texture, stir in your favorite additions like chopped almonds, pumpkin seeds, or dried cranberries. Feel free to experiment with different spices, such as a dash of cinnamon, to create unique flavor profiles. Remember to taste and adjust until it's perfect for you. Finally, it's time to set your delicious creation. Pour the chocolate mixture into a silicone mold or spread it thinly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or until it's completely firm. Once solid, break or cut your healthy chocolate into individual pieces. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for a delightful treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.